Over half of all new robots on Earth are now being installed in just one country, China. Last year alone, they activated over 295,000 industrial robots. That's 54% of all robots deployed on the planet, more than the rest of the world combined.
In my day, we didn't need robots. We had work ethic.
Earl, you got fired from the post office for napping in the mail truck.
I was meditating.
Here's what's happening. For decades, China's biggest advantage was its massive workforce. But today, their working-age population is shrinking by millions every year. The one-child policy ended in 2016, but babies don't exactly pop out ready to operate welding torches. And somehow, youth unemployment still sits at 18%. So what's going on?
I asked my nephew to help me move a couch. He live-streamed me struggling and made $300 in donations.
You tried to pay him in leftover potato salad, Pookie.
That's just it. The new generation has other plans. Young people need jobs. But unlike their parents, they don't want to stand on an assembly line for 12 hours a day making stuff. Their parents built iPhones. They want to code the apps on iPhones.
The pipeline for mission-critical repetitive tasks is experiencing negative yield, resulting in a paradigm shift toward leveraging automated workforce solutions.
Translation: since he can't hire people, he's installing robots.
What else is the man installing?
Resentment and a hostile work environment, little Timmy.
Here's the thing, this isn't about making cheap plastic toys anymore. China's dominating high-precision manufacturing, electric vehicles, batteries, advanced electronics. They're investing over $138 billion in AI and robotics over the next 20 years, building the future one robot at a time. Meanwhile, somewhere in America, we're still arguing about potato salad.
It was homemade.
Automatic Addison.